morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. It's a D day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, I was able to see second graders in math working super hard to make sure that they knew how many were in a bundle. And when you added a bundle, that added 10 more to their number. Nice job, second grade. I also was able to see scholars in extensions yesterday. Scholars in PE, scholars in AR. I saw that scholars were asking a lot of questions because they want to make sure that they are either a word master or a royal reader. So nice job, scholars. I do want to remind you, when you are in intervention and you don't have to go to a second intervention, please jump onto extensions. We don't want you to miss out on whatever extension is for that day. So again, if you have intervention and you're done with intervention, please jump on and do extensions. Also, even if you have an intervention, make sure you do read every day and test on books and go into Clever and get on those hot spots so that you can make sure and make math masters, reading all those books so you can become word masters, and also so that you can become a royal reader. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!